Namaskar, this is Seshadri, your level advisor, corporate trainer, past IC member. Hope all are doing this month ECR in new revamped portal. Few people are facing some problems, issues, and there is common issues many people are facing. I will try to address those errors as well as the solution for that. Let us understand what are all the errors we face. Majority organization what they face, those things I highlighted. Other than any of the any errors if you are facing, you can message me or you can comment on that. Definitely we will try to help you. First error is VPF, voluntary provident fund errors. Usually when you are making your sheet wages, you have to ensure whatever employer is contribution doing, or that wages only employee also should contribute. Usually what you are doing, many people are doing, they are putting the wages, whatever the basic plus TA, that wages they are mentioning in EPF wage they are mentioning. That is not correct. Whatever employer is contributing, that only you have to keep in EPF wage. Let us understand in that file. You are seeing in this window, the file here, first is a gross wage, second one is a EPF wage. In this EPF wage, you whatever employer is contributing, if employer is contributing up to 1800 rupees only they are contributing, here 15,000 you have to mention. In both employer and employee both are contributing, which amount, that wages only you have to keep here, because some of the people are keeping here instead of, for example, here 40,000 you will put, but employer is contributing 1800, then only this error will come. What you have to do, make it 15,000. Here in that employee EPF contribution, you can maximum whatever amount you want you can pay. Employer wants to pay, because employer company is paying only 1800, employee wants to pay more, means yes, it is possible. Only amount you mention here, wages should not be more than 15,000. Whatever employer is contributing, same amount only you have to mention here for wages. In G column, that is employee contribution account number 1, you can add, for example, 1800 employer is contributing, so 1800 you mention here. Instead of 1800 you can mention 1800 plus, in case 5000 you wants to contribute, you can mention here 5000, so total it will be around 6800 you can contribute. Wage should be 15,000 only. Employer contribution 1250 plus 550 only, so here employee can contribute extra. So this is the major error people are facing. Please take care this. If you are mentioning correct proper wages, this error will be solved. Next error, let us understand. Next is usually many of the organizations they face this one. UAN not linked to your establishment, or date of joining missing, date of exit updated. Because whenever employee is registered in our organization, then only it will take. Many these old employees, some of the employees date of joining might be missing in your database. Because of that, this error will come. Go to the member section. In member profile, you check date of joining is missing. You have to add date of joining. How can you add? Raise the joint declaration. Raise joint declaration along with appointment letter and other documents. Raise what is the exact date of joining. It will be updated. First thing. Some of the organization, what they do, some of the employees, date of exit by mistake you have updated, but you are able to contribute earlier. Now it is not possible. In case date of exit is updated, same thing. You check your member profile, date of exit is marked errorly, then you have to raise joint declaration. I have marked this date of exit errorly, so he is working like that. You upload the joint declaration, automatically it will, this error also will be solved. Then next error is employees who are working, their age is more than 58. More than 58 means they are not eligible for EPS wage, they are not eligible. What you have to do, first mark EPS, go to the member profile, mark exit. In that you click update exit date of EPS only, pension scheme only you have to update. Click here, then automatically date also it will come. Select superannuation, save it and approve it. Both after approval, you have to take care of even ECR file. In ECR file, EPS wages must be 0, EPS contribution also must be 0. Then this error will be solved. What you have to do, in ECR file also you should go. In that ECR file, you have to what you have to do here, EPS wage, EPS, that is the EPS wage, whatever after PF wage which is coming, you make it 0 for the 58 and above employees. Then here EPS wage also must be 0. Then only it will accept. No error will come. Then next if we see, next what error? Next error is NCP days. NCP days, earlier also we know NCP days 0.5 you should not keep, as well as if salary is 0, make full calendar month. Don't put 26, 27 days for 0 salary. Make it 30 or 31, whatever the calendar month is days, that many days you have to keep here. As well as in case your organization is EDLI exempted organization, that is you are having insurance, that time what you should do? First check while uploading itself EDLI exemption is coming or not. Yes, if it is coming, what you should do? You have to make EDLI wages, you have to mention. Don't keep EDLI wages 0. There EDLI wages you have to mention. See here, if it is exemption, you upload the with the EDLI wages, then when the challan is created, automatically it will be 0. EDLI wages, for that EDLI charges nothing will be taken when if your organization is exempted. In case more any other errors if you are getting, you can send the screenshot, or you can raise employer feedback at epfindia.gov. You can send mail. All grievance portal is that in Google, you go and type PF grievance portal. As a employer, you can raise grievance portal with a screenshot. Within 48 hours your problem will be addressed. Hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.